16.
What does it say in front of it, 16? Plus 16. So what are we going to do now? Desmond, you love that color so much because you just had a whole lot of them. Now we're going to work with our... And how many are we going to need?
16.
And where are we going to put them?
On the negative side.
Plus 16. Okay. All right. How's it going?
6.
Okay. Y'all, give me a red color when you need some help, okay? Okay? All right. Okay, I'm going to let you guys get that model, and then I'll be represent. What is that called? It's called a fraction what? Fraction line or fraction?
Bar.
Good job, teamwork. Okay, so if I have a fraction bar, what is the operation that is actually taking place right here? Operation. Okay, so if I know I already have division, what does the variable always say? Variable always has the same old song. Always. It doesn't matter what alphabet it is, the variable is always saying the exact same thing every time. I want to be a what? He said, I don't want to be divided by 5. So what I need is I need 5 to go to the other side of the equation, right? So if I have division, what am I going to do if I want to do the opposite? Okay, so if I'm going to multiply, what am I multiplying by? Okay.
3.
5 times. I see you're trying to do some mental math here. So if I'm going to multiply 5, but what am I going to multiply? In this particular equation, what am I going to multiply by 5?
15.
Am I going to just multiply 5 by 15? Remember, equations, the job of an equation is to stay what?
Balance.
So what happens if I do multiply by 5 on one side and I never multiply by 5 on the other side? I'm not. I have to multiply by
15.
Do I multiply by 15?
5.
Why 5 and not 15?
Because 5.
Why 5 and not 15?
Because 5 is on the other side of the equal sign.
It's on the
Right. Opposite.
It's on the opposite side.
It's on the same side.
It's on the same side of the equal sign as the. And remember, the variable's like, get on. I want to be by myself. That's what the variable will always say when we're solving equations. So the 5 is the number we're actually going to be working with, the number that we're going to be multiplying. So if I multiply both sides by
5.
what do we get? You might want to get your scratch book. But you got plenty of room. I gave you some room here. If space is needed, you can flip over to the back. Okay? Okay, you okay now? Okay. All right. Question number 6. Okay. What is that operation? What's that symbol?
Division sign.
Okay. So what's the operation?
Divide P and divide 1/4.
Okay, so am I going to do anything really differently because they use this symbol versus this symbol? Remember, that's the one we just talked about with Jamoska. So am I going to do anything any differently? Because both of them represent what operation?
Division.
So if I want to undo or reverse division, what am I going to do?
Quick multiplication.
But what am I going to multiply?
1/4 is 52.
I'm going to multiply 1/4, but am I going to just multiply 1/4 by 52? What am I going to do? Remember, what the equations always want to be?
The same.
Balanced. So whatever I do to,
One side.
I got to do?
To the other side.
Absolutely. So what am I going to do here?
You're going to divide 1/4 by P and 1/4 by 52.
Am I dividing?
Multiply.
Absolutely. All right. Don't let the fractions and the decimals get you all off track, okay? They still gonna work with our regular fraction facts and our decimal facts, okay? Just recall up your fraction facts and decimal facts, okay? Everybody's good so far?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You're done. Look at this. Where is but guess what? You can't stop with. You got to do them. See, those are probably the ones that you're missing. So once you get down to number 13, you'll have them all. Okay? And you did a good job with this. Good job.